everyone, it's me Faith, and today we're going to be making a blueberry and lemon Swiss roll. It's super delicious, perfect for summer. Well, close to the end of summer now, so hold on while it lasts. We'll get into the recipe. So, ingredients will be as usual on screen and in the description. You'll need eggs, lemon zest, self-raising flour, sugar and vanilla. This sponge cake is the easiest sponge cake ever. You will need a stand mixer, or you can use a hand mixer, or if you use you can also actually use a whisk, but good luck, you'll need some elbow grease. So, we'll add the eggs in. Sugar, and we'll let this mix for a couple of minutes until it's doubled in volume, and then I'll show you to test it if it's ready. Would help if it's actually plugged in. There we go. I'll show you how you'll know this is done. So, you can essentially draw a figure 8 like this. I'm holding, and it's holding its shape. See? I can easily draw a figure 8 and it's holding right there. So, we'll knock it off. We'll put the flour in the sifter. And sit it on top. And lemon zest. Now, we're gonna fold this in and be very careful. So, to try and so you don't knock all the air out of this. You will knock some air out of it, but not all of it. Be very gentle with it. Okay, so I will put this in the tin. Try not to handle it too much. This is going to go in an oven preheated to 180 degrees for 8 to 9 minutes. Okay, so this has come out of the oven. It's still hot. I have a damp tea towel, make sure it's damp and not soaking wet. A piece of baking paper, and this piece of baking paper is covered in sugar so the sponge doesn't stick. Now I have to work while it's hot, so be careful. We're gonna flip this over. There we go. Now this is baked nicely. You should be able to remove the baking paper. And without this cool, like this. So the Swiss roll sponge cake is now completely cool. To fill this, you're gonna need some cream. This is just plain whipped cream. There's no need to add any sugar, but this is sweet enough. We have some homemade lemon curd that we made last week from last week's video. We have some blueberry jam, fresh blueberries, and some wedges of lemon for garnish. These two are for garnish. Okay, so we'll unroll this, and hopefully it won't, there's no cracks in it. So, let's fill this with cream. Don't overfill it, because if you do, it will end up going out the sides and it won't look that pretty. Okay. We're gonna add dollops of jam and lemon curd now. Here, we'll add some dollops of jam here and there. This is homemade blueberry jam. If you'd like to have the recipe for jam, feel free to leave a comment and I'll make a video on homemade jam. It's not difficult at all. And in between, we put lemon curd. Alrighty, so now we're ready to roll it. We're gonna grab a knife and we're gonna put a slit in it, not all the way down. So it will help you to roll it and it will look a bit tighter and neater. You can use the baking paper to help you. Okay, so I have piped some rosettes of cream. You can do this, you can choose not to. So I'm gonna place a blueberry off the center. There we have it, a lemon and blueberry Swiss roll. I hope you give this recipe a go and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.